I have the Samsung Smart TV here, and I'll be showing you how to disable the sleep timer. Now, the sleep timer is a feature built into your Samsung Smart TV that waits a certain time before any input is made on your TV, and it puts the TV to sleep. Just basically puts it in standby mode. So if you want to turn off that automatic sleep timer, what you can do is simply go to settings, and on the settings, for the quick settings shortcuts, just scroll until you get to sleep timer. So you should see it. Now once it's highlighted, just press the selection button on your remote control. So it's going to cycle between 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes, you have 180 minutes, and then again you have off. So once it says off there, that it means the sleep timer has been disabled. Now alternatively, you can press the down arrow on your remote and then press the selection to open the sleep timer window, and in the setup you can have from wherever it is, maybe to set here or here, just come and select off. And once it says off there, it means the sleep timer has been disabled or turned off. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.